everybody, this is Dixie coming to you live in our customer support group, and I just wanted to come talk to everybody about using your products with our Kickstart guide. Now, our Kickstart guide is amazing. I want to give you a little bit of background on it. It was created with myself, so I have over 14 years experience in the fitness and nutrition industry, and I paired up with Brandy Sonoto. She is a former holistic health practitioner, and we went through and kind of wanted to figure out, okay, what is the best way you can use your products, use this guide to really help kickstart your results, kickstart your metabolism, and get your body into a fat burning mode. And so that's how this Kickstart guide was developed. So I want to kind of run through what the Kickstart guide is and then show you how you can use those products as well. So the Kickstart guide is just the first 7 days of your 30-day program when you buy the weight loss products. And the first day is considered a steak fast day. So you drink water all day, you make sure that you stay extremely hydrated, and then you have steak and either a tomato or an apple for dinner. That is day 1. Days 2, 3, and 4, what we do is we eliminate carbs, dairy, and processed sugars. And the reason we do that is because those things are your body uses for energy. So carbs and sugar, your body uses for energy. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to get your body into a fat burning mode. So if you're not giving it sugar and carbs, what it's going to do is it's going to start searching your body for stored fat that it can burn off as energy versus using the carbs and the sugar that you're taking in for energy. So this is how we start to kickstart your metabolism and get you into a fat burning mode. And sorry, I'm in my vehicle. So so that's why we cut carbs and why we cut sugar. And the reason why we eliminate dairy is dairy can always slow down your metabolism. Dairy causes a lot of different health issues. I mean, you can look it up. You can look up where, all the different things with like the mucus in dairy. It's not good for the body. It can cause weight gain. It can cause plateaus. So that's really why we cut those 3 items. So days 1 through 4, you're not going to have sugar, dairy, or carbs. Come day 5, you can start to incorporate healthy carbs back in. So like whole grains. Replace all of your white, like your white bread, your white rice, your white tortillas, and go to like whole grain. Go to brown rice, whole grain breads. You can even find whole grain tortillas. And then you can also start incorporating dairy back in if you want. I would say to minimize dairy and listen to your body, because you might notice that by cutting dairy, ultimately it's just going to help you feel better. And you can also, with the sugars, I always say stay away from processed sugars. So even if it's day 6, day 7, day 20, I would really stay away from artificial sugars. Don't use artificial sweeteners. Don't use anything that has like sucralose in it. I always try to get my sugars through my fruits. So when you are doing this 7-day kickstart, when it says no sugar, I say that it's okay if it comes from fruit, because fruit is, is a natural sugar, but I would limit that on your Kickstart. I would say only 2 fruits a day when you're doing the Kickstart. So that is kind of how the Kickstart works for the first 7 days. But now I want to kind of run you through on how you can use the products with the Kickstart. Now, this program was designed, the Kickstart was designed around the lean body sculpting system and the Revitalize and the probiotics. So the lean body sculpting system is going to have your trim, your burn, your activate, and then we also have you order your Revitalize and your probiotic. And the reason we have you get all 5 of those is because it's not just going to be about weight loss, but it's also going to be about supplementing your body with minerals that it needs so that you can absorb water and not retain it. And the probiotics, you just need to have good gut health. Good gut health is where it's at. It's ultimate for any type of weight loss or health goals. Hey, Casey, thank you for jumping on here. So I'm going to run you through on how you can use this with the lean body sculpting system. And then I'm going to show you how you can use it if you do by chance order the M3 system instead. It's actually really simple. So what you're going to do is first thing in the morning, every day, it's going to be the same routine. You're going to take a tablespoon of your trim. Super easy. Then your burn, there's a few different ways that you can use your burn. Everybody kind of finds their own way on how they like it. If you use burn, you can comment down below how you like to use it, but you can either take all 3 capsules of your burn first thing in the morning when you take your trim. It's equal to about 1.5 cups of coffee, of caffeine. I believe that's the amount that it's equal to. So you can take all 3 burn capsules first thing in the morning, or what I like to do is I like to take 2 burn capsules in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. So then you're going to have Activate, which comes with your Lean Body Sculpt. You use your Activate on days 2, 3, and 4. You use it 3 nights in a row. Read the directions on the package. It tells you just to mix it with water and drink immediately. I like to do this about 30 minutes before bed. So trim in the morning, burn in the morning, and Activate at night. Now, if you're sensitive to caffeine and you don't want to take all 3 capsules of your burn first thing in the morning, like I said, you can do 2 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. Some people will split it 3 times. So it's 3 capsules a day. So they'll take 1 capsule at 3 different times throughout the day. But I always suggest don't take the burn after 2, unless if you know you're not going to be sensitive to caffeine and it keep you up at night. Now, that's how you do it with the basic Lean Body Sculpt system. But if you did the deluxe system and you ordered your Revitalize and you ordered your probiotic, those are super easy to add right into this. Your Revitalize, if you read the directions on the package, you just mix it in water and drink it. So you can take that anytime throughout the day, mix it in your water and drink it. The guide does suggest to try to take it in the afternoon. And the only reason it suggests to take it in the afternoon is because the minerals that are in there, the Shilajit, all the different sea minerals act as natural electrolytes, and it also acts as natural energy. So that's why on the guide we have it listed in the afternoon, just to help give you a little bit more of energy to keep you moving throughout the day. But if you don't take it in the afternoon and you forget and you drink your Revitalize at night, it's fine. If you drink it in the morning, it's fine. If you're going to the gym and working out, my tip is to drink it during your workout. To me, it's like a hydration for me. So drink it during your workout if you want. And then the probiotic is super easy. It comes in a little packet. It's a pixie stick. You drop it in your mouth. You can take that at any time throughout the day. Just make sure you're getting it in, because probiotics are essential to have all of that good gut health for you to have more effective weight loss. So now that's how you can use it when you do the Deluxe Lean Body Sculpt system. But what about those people that did the M3? A lot of you got the deal where you got the Sync for free, which is our fiber shake. It's really simple. You're going to follow the same process where day 1 is your steak fast day. Days 1 through 4, no sugar, carbs, dairy. You're still going to follow the guide as it shows, and then you're just going to incorporate the extra products in. So in the M3, you have burn, use it as I explained, but then you also have a protein shake and you have your Sync fiber shake. Very simple. Your protein shake, I suggest drink it in the afternoon. It is not a meal replacement, because it does not, it's really just your straight protein. It has your BCAAs in it, but it doesn't have like all of the nutrients like if you were to like do like a power shake or something like that. So only use it as like a snack. You can use it anytime in the afternoon. It is going to help cut your cravings. That's why a lot of people like to have this shake, is because it will help curb your appetite. Use it anytime in the afternoon. And then if you got the Sync, this is our chocolate fiber shake, 20 minutes before bed, or 20 minutes before your dinner. And the reason we suggest 20 minutes before dinner is because it is going to help you feel fuller, which means you're going to have better portion control when it comes to dinner. And that also means the less you eat at dinner, the less that gets stored in your body, because when you eat dinner, your body has to burn off all those calories that you're eating. And most people don't eat dinner early enough from the time that they go to bed that your body's not able to burn it all off. And so some of it is stored when you go to sleep, and your body kind of goes into like a mild hibernation mode, which means your body can't necessarily burn it off. So that's why we suggest Sync 20 minutes before dinner, so that you don't eat as big of a dinner. But if you miss it, you forget to do it before dinner, you can have it at night. I would say, you know, just do it before you go to bed, and it's still going to work. It's still going to help you because you're still going to get the fiber. Fiber is crucial for your digestive health. So if there were some comments, some people had some questions in regards to the Kickstart. I had somebody ask if you can have coffee. Yes, you can have coffee. Drink it black unless if you're using our creamer. I'm going to turn my notifications down 1 second. I have a lot of people messaging me, and I hope it's not dinging on the video. So one of the questions was coffee. Can we have coffee on the Kickstart? Yes, drink it black. If you want creamer, I suggest to get the creamer that we offer because it is non-GMO. It's very clean, very minimal. I actually don't even know if it has sugar in it. I'd have to read the back of it to be sure. So yes, you can have coffee. The next question, if you guys are on here and you guys were asking questions, let me know, because now I think I have forgotten what the questions were. I put a post up. Oh, I had a question about veggies. What veggies can you eat on the Kickstart? Do they have to be raw or do they have to be cooked? We're not that strict. You can eat them raw. You can eat them cooked. A veggie is a veggie, you know, so you don't have to get super strict with that. Another question was, what are lean meats? You know, like your turkey, chicken, fish, things like that. Proteins, you know, lean proteins. You can even use eggs as your protein. And then if I missed any questions, I will go back to the thread where the questions were being asked, and I will put them in the comments below. So if you guys end up with any other questions on how to use your products with the Kickstart guide, just comment on this video, and then we will all come in. Everybody that's done the Kickstart and knows how it works, we will come in and we will answer your questions for you. And if you have done the Kickstart and you have received results from it, I would love for you to comment below what your results have been so far, just because it's extra inspiration for the new people that are coming in. They're just doing the Kickstart. We're gonna get them connected with this video so that they know how to do their Kickstart. But they can read through the comments and they can get inspiration to see how it's been helping everybody else. So I hope this clarified on how you can use all the products with the Kickstart program. If you guys have any other questions, we're here to help you. And let me remind you that this group is your support group. So you can post in here, post in the group questions that you have. If you made a good recipe, post a picture with the recipe, share with others. If you find anything that's motivational for you, post it in here and let's motivate others, because that's really what the She Boss message is about, is empowering other women. So the more that we can come together and really support in this group, if we have more people showing what they're doing, it's just going to help us all together collectively. So please use this group as if it is your own. You guys, this is Dixie. If you guys have any questions, I'm here to help you, and I'm here to help you reach those goals and get to success. Take care, everybody.